You know? Now, when I said this guy didn't like to fix a lot, the dance floor was a great indicator of that.
Oh, break an ankle.
Oh man, I'll tell you what, the amount of beer spilled.
This stage?
Yeah. And if you had a couple of beers, you had to pee. The stage right, they had the steps to go to the basement. You know, men's and ladies' room down the stairs.
Whoa.
Yeah, if you look closely, there was no seat. There was a lid, but no seat, so that made it rather challenging, man. But he only ran into problems. Like I mentioned to you today, rent kills a lot in New York City. And you know, Gem Spa had to close, Trash and Vaudeville had to move, the restaurant had to move out. And the same thing happened here, man. You know, the new lease came in and he said, you know, just can't do it. You know, he goes, plus I'm in my late 70s. And he told me one day, he goes, man, the only people I really get anymore want to take a picture and buy a t-shirt. Like, you're not getting the kid anymore that wants to see 5 unknown bands. It's just not happening anymore, man. So I thought he did something clever, though. He gutted the entire club thinking, maybe I'll find a place one day and I'll put all the old crap into the new spot, right? And he even kept the toilets and the urinals. And when asked why, he had the best answer. He said a lot of famous people pissed in them. And this was the urinal inventory day. It had some wooden doors, man. Reminded me of like an old saloon. And I met the owner quite a bit. And this is me and him in like 2005. Yeah, you can see that old Mac desktop. After the club closed, though, man, he got sick. He had cancer and escalated to stage 4 like rapidly, and he ended up passing away. You know, like 1 year later in 2007. But pretty remarkable when you think that over 33,000 different bands played here. And imagine how. No, I didn't.